Think you know the secrets to making money in affiliate marketing? Think again. We're exposing the top mistakes that could be costing you big, and you won't believe what number one is. Don't lose out on maximizing your earnings. Stay tuned to crack the code. Choosing the right partners and products in affiliate marketing isn't just a step, it's the backbone of your success. Imagine linking your awesome, trust-building content with a product that falls flat or worse, irritates your audience. That's not just a missed opportunity, it's a trust breaker. First up, why is alignment so crucial? Your audience follows you for a reason. They value your opinion and trust your recommendations. Partnering with brands that reflect your values and resonate with your audience's needs strengthens that trust. It's like setting up a friend with someone you know they'll click with. When the match is right, it's magic. On the flip side, mismatched products can do more than just not sell. They can harm your reputation. You've worked hard to build credibility and trust amongst your followers. Partnering with irrelevant or low-quality products is like taking your audience's trust and tossing it out the window. And once trust is broken, it's a steep uphill battle to win it back. Now, evaluating potential partnerships might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start by using the products yourself. Can you stand behind them confidently? Next, dig into the brand's reputation. Are they respected in the industry? Read reviews, join forums, and gather as much intel as you can. Remember, knowledge is power. Lastly, consider the product's relevance to your audience. Will it solve a problem for them? Will it add value to their lives? If the answer is yes, you could be onto a winner. Choosing the right products is not just about the commission. It's about building long-term trust and authority in your niche. Here's a question to think about. Have you ever considered the long-term impact of your affiliate partnerships on your brand's reputation and trust with your audience? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Navigating the world of affiliate marketing can often feel like walking a tightrope. On one side, you've got the opportunity to share products you love and earn a commission. On the other, there's the critical need to maintain transparency and trust with your audience. This is where the concept of disclosure comes into play. It's not just a nice to have, it's a must-do legally and ethically. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, requires that content creators clearly disclose their relationships with brands when promoting or linking to products in exchange for compensation. This means if you're getting paid to talk about a product, you need to let your audience know loud and clear. Yet some marketers make the mistake of either burying these disclosures in the fine print or worse, omitting them altogether. It's like playing with fire. Not only does this practice erode trust with your audience, but it also puts you on the wrong side of the law. The solution? Keep your disclosures simple, straightforward, and hard to miss. Place them prominently at the beginning of your content or videos, not tucked away at the end or hidden in a sea of hashtags. Best practices suggest that whenever you mention a product you're affiliated with, a clear disclosure should accompany that mention. It's about being upfront with your audience, ensuring they can make informed decisions about the products you recommend. This level of transparency breeds loyalty and respect, reinforcing the trust that your audience has in you. Now think about the last time you encountered an affiliate link online. Were you aware of the endorsement? How did it affect your perception of the product or the person promoting it?